How to add a table to a web page. We are now going to go to our professional work page and learn how to add a table so that you can put your professional work in the table. We're going to come over here to our sidebar where we have all our elements and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then you're going to click on this button that says Add App with the plus sign. We're going to click on that, and that will open a page where you can see apps that you can choose from. Okay, so the page is loaded, and we're going to scroll down a little bit. You can look through all this yourself, but we're going to go ahead. I've already found what I need. I'm going to scroll down until I get to this app right here in the middle that says Simple Table. And as you can see right here, it is free. So we're going to click on that. So it's shown us here, the app. Let's go ahead and arrow through here and see there are multiple styles to the table. There are adjustable sizes for the table. There are various colors you can choose for your table. And so here's a simple table, and we're going to go ahead and add this app so that we can use that. And we have this box pop up. We click on Connect, and we will click on Done after it loads. I really want to put a title on this page, so let's do that first. Just grab the title app and drag it to the top where your blue light highlights over the resume. And we're going to click on that and type in professional work. Okay, and then under that we're going to put a little spacer so that it won't be too close to the table we're going to add. We're going to place this under the professional work text title. And now we can scroll down in our sidebar and go ahead and add this table. We're going to grab it and we're going to drag it up until we are under the spacer that we just added and the blue line is highlighted, and we're going to let go. Okay, so we have a simple table here. We have the word value in every box. We're going to just click on that, and it will give you a tutorial on how to use the table. So step one is we plan out our table and set up our app, which we've done. We click on the element to access the settings and adjust the number of rows and columns using the plus button. Then we choose a display style and color, and we can set colors on the border, title and content background, change the alignment, and so forth. We're going to add our information to the table. After that, we can click on each cell and type in or paste our text, and then we can modify the look of the selected text within the table using the text editing tool. So that's the tutorial. You can take more time to read through it when you add your table. And I'm just going to, after I've read that, after you read that, you can click on the Done button, the top right. And now the simple table editing box is here. So I'm going to add to the table the information requested by the instructor for professional work, which was the artifact project, its purpose and content, and the knowledge and skill learned. So I'm going to separate that into 3 columns. So I don't need 4, which I have here. So I'm going to come into this edit box and hit this negative or minus button so that I go down to 3 columns, and you'll see that changes it here. Okay, and then rows, you are to put at least 3 artifacts or projects for this table and this page. So we're going to leave 3 rows there. Actually, I'm going to have a title row, so I will add 1 more row to that, and that will load that into the table. And then for the style, we've got title on top, which this is a little darker than these other 3 rows, so I'm going to leave that. Next, we will look at the alignment. Do we want the table centered to the left, to the right? We're going to leave it centered. Okay, the title background, we want to change the color. They have the color here. And we click on that, and I'm going to choose, just since my resume has these red, orange, yellow, and golden colors, I think I will choose this pale golden color. And as you see, it is loading it up and turned the title spaces into the pale golden color. So now let's go ahead and add to the top row, the title row, the information we need for your professional work. Click in the top left-hand box and let's highlight that word value. And then we're going to type in there artifact/project. Okay, then we'll click on the next box and let that load, and then we will highlight that word, and we're going to type purpose and content to this box. Okay, and then we're going to click in the next box to the right. Okay, so we will highlight that word, and we're going to type in knowledge and skill learned. Okay, so there we have the table, and you can click on these boxes here and enter your information by typing it or pasting. And if you've already published your website and then seen this video after, make sure after you add your table that you do republish again by clicking on this button at the top right so that your table on this page will be visible.